Hello and welcome back, viewers. You're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. Now, News X has accessed the judgment copy of the Bombay High Court's Goa bench in the Tarun Tejpal case. Tehelka magazine founder Tarun Tejpal has been sentenced to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment in the 2013 sexual assault case. Shivani Singh joins us from the newsroom with some additional details on this.
Yes, Kriti. So we have the judgment copy, in fact, right in front of us. It is a 82-page judgment, so it's very long and quite a few findings by the court that has been mentioned. But let's look at the facts of this case. In conclusion, the court has stated that they have set aside the judgment and the order of the trial court and have convicted the respondent for offences punishable under section 376 to F and K, 354, 354A, 354B, 341 and 342 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Now, what do these actually entail? Because let's talk about the sentence, how the court has in fact sentenced him. So the court has also stated that Mr. Ponda, who is the learned senior advocate representing the respondent, they wanted a lenient sentence. They prayed that a minimum sentence be awarded to the respondent. They've given a lot of reasons and arguments in favor of that. However, when the court heard that and their conclusion in the terms of sentencing comes that for the offence under section 376(2)(f) of the IPC, the respondent is sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 10 years and also pay a fine of rupees 5 lakh, which is in default of which to suffer simple imprisonment of 3 years. Apart from this, for the offence punishable under section 376(2)(k) of the IPC, the respondent is sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 10 years and pay a fine of rupees 5 lakh. And we also have another, sentence given out for the offence punishable under section 354 of the IPC. The respondent is sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 1 more year and then also pay a fine of rupees 10,000 in default of which to suffer simple imprisonment of 1 month. So he has another rigorous imprisonment period of 1 year along with a fine of rupees 10,000 in excess to the 10 years that he has already gotten and a fine of rupees 5 lakh. Apart from this, we have the offence punishable under section 354A of the IPC. He is also sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 1 year. And after that, the offence punishable under section 354B of the IPC, where he is in fact sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 3 years and pay a fine of rupees 10,000. And if he defaults on that, he will get a simple imprisonment of rupees 3 months. We have another offence which is punishable under section 341 of the IPC, and the respondent is sentenced to pay a fine of rupees 5,000, and in default of this he will suffer simple imprisonment of 7 days. Then another offence under section 342 of the IPC, the respondent is sentenced to pay a fine of rupees 500, in default of which he will also suffer from simple imprisonment of 7 days. So all of these sentences shall run together. So the period remains together among all of these sentences that has been given by the court. And they have also stated that discussion here and above relating to the consequences of having suffered sexual assault, the entire amount of fine deposited by the respondent shall be given to the victim. So all of the amount that as a fine that he has to give will be given to the respondent, and the police inspector of the CID CB North Goa shall file a compliance report regarding this deposit of fine within a period of 3 months from today. So 3 months period he has been given to in fact submit the fine amount of rupees 5 lakh, and that will be in fact given in, to the victim.
Right.
We are also looking at some other, in fact, 4 weeks time to surrender. So let's in fact, those are some of the details of this court, Kriti.
Yes, thank you so much, Shivani, for bringing us the judgment copy details. NewsX has exclusively accessed that. With that, let's move on. There's another big news coming in. Now, a shocking case has